Honorable Alberts.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Premier, the AU anthem has a recurring theme in its chorus.
Order, Honorable
It calls
Masilela.
upon Africans to make our continent the tree of life. It thereby implies that we have the ability, we have the resources given by Africa, and the vision to be a leader and provider for the whole world. Gauteng can be the rich ground in which the tree of life can be planted if we lead the rivers of investment to our province. This is also the call to arms made to us by the voters of Gauteng, and we dare not fail them. Last year, we indicated to the Premier that the only sure way to ensure economic growth and sustainable job creation would be to attract substantial investments into Gauteng. It is therefore encouraging to see the investment commitments made as indicated by the Premier. However, two action points are necessary. First, the commitments must come to fruition sooner rather than later given our economic crisis, and we need timelines on that. Secondly, new investment commitments must be sought to ensure that economic growth exceeds population growth, which is not happening at the moment. Once the right volume of investments take place, the resultant creation of jobs will automatically eradicate many of the socio-economic problems that exist today without further government involvement. But there's also other work to be done. The government must reassess its incoming 2026-27 budget in alignment with possible savings identified in the previous budget. Our research identifies a massive 3 billion rand fiscal repurposing pool that can be recovered without a single cent of new revenue. This can be used to fund the shortfall in the Department of Education's budget as a whole, and also help to fund the Quintile 5 schools, and ensuring, amongst others, that schools are maintained, like Brakpan Primary School and Carlton High School that's falling apart. The province can then also ensure that local government clinics are properly funded to keep operating instead of closing down. In Ekurhuleni, for instance, clinics are closing and the operating ones cannot provide proper medical services. Lastly, the Tree of Life also needs sustenance of proper service delivery from local governments in total. Local government services have in many respects imploded under the watch of the ANC and deserve urgent attention, not for the sake of us politicians, but for the sake of the people. Premier, these action points are of high importance to root the Tree of Life in Gauteng. We will also submit to you and MEC Maile our research to establish a 3 billion rand fiscal repurposing pool for consideration. I thank you.